Go ahead and turn your mouse to the other side. First, make sure it's powered on, and then press and hold this small button right here. And once you see it flashing, it lets you know that the device is now in pairing mode. Now on your PC, you should see it pop up on the side here, but if you don't see it, that's not a problem. So on the taskbar to the bottom right, you can click on the internet icon here, and then you can click on Bluetooth. Or in the start menu, you can go ahead and type Bluetooth as well and select this option called Bluetooth and other device settings. Make sure you have Bluetooth turned on. Then click on Add Device. Click on Bluetooth. And here is your Bluetooth mouse. Go ahead and click on it. Just give it a few seconds here to connect. It's all connected and now it's ready to be used. So now you can go ahead, move your mouse, and you'll see it here moving around on the screen, which it is. This is again the M240 right here. And that's it.